that or did I?
Yes, that's her.
Did I get that or you? Did I get that or you?
You did.
Okay, I wasn't sure, but I know the book. We got her that too.
I didn't put
I
any,
don't know what we got her. I didn't go shopping.
I didn't put any names on any of it because it was all just Emma.
Vulture.
Do you like it? Yeah. Ooh, see, it's heavy. Yes, it's heavy.
Push the water button.
The only ones that put names on it is John and Nick. So I know.
You check your email? Switch to the email and message mode.
I got my own from just like Daddy.
You says up.
You. Umbrella bird.
Umbrella bird?
I'm gonna look at.
Push the water button.
She's getting into this a little more now.
Let's
Mixture
play
with
some
Coke
music.
and all the ones that.
There you
Like, let's get the doll out. It's stuck. It won't get out for her. She's gonna get mad.
Wow.
You
I
want-
knew it was coming. I was just watching her. I knew it was coming. Oh, it's got just.
Yeah.
Honey, we gotta get scissors. Here. Let's do another one. Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Puzzle?
Oh, yeah, she loves those.
Got big, chunky pieces. There it is. Okay.
I don't know how you guys are gonna outdo the next Christmas.
Oh, she's getting hang now.
Yeah, she's starting to really get the hang of it.
Oh, yeah. You got her to a science now.
Yeah, she's getting it.
Her tongue's sticking out a little bit. Got the whole concentration thing going.
Into this, boy. She's doing well. She's
She
really.
really is. For her age, she's doing really good. Maybe she will remember. I remember doing this.
Tiny pieces at a time. Who is that? A Vinny?
she's gonna love those. She likes carrying that stuff around.
What is it?
They're
statues.
yeah, they're like posable
Oh,
Mickey
okay.
Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Like Gumbies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that better?
No. It will be, so I get that off.
Oh, what's this? Oh, she was playing with this one last night. She was into it too. You can't reach in there to make noise or anything, but she was definitely into it.
Trying real hard to get her hand in there. Piece of tape stuck.
Just get a piece of tape.
It's like a nasty booger, ain't it? Can't get rid of it. Boy, no paper to tear.
We'll have to get batteries for this. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what.
Batteries.
I don't know.
You got a lot of seeds over the house.
I got some double A's too. I think I bought them.
Yeah, I tried it last night. It wasn't working.
Oh wow! Usually it comes with something.
Mhm.
Leapfrog, you'd think. We got her that too, the one she just opened.
The xylophone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those are fun. Let me see. I'll see if there's batteries and stuff. You got it for mine.
I'm just surprised.
Yeah, they may have set on the shelf. They,
Yeah.
they
That's
wore
what I
out.
think. Yeah, somebody left it on and.
And Grandma didn't try it first.
I got the one in the
Kill him.
back. I got the one in the back because I didn't want the one in the front to. We got her this too. I didn't know what it is when she looked at it.
Oh my God.
She's gonna love it.
Princess.
To her it means nothing till it's set up. What you got? You want it open? Yeah? Uh-oh, do you have more? You have more?
Yeah.
You got more. Go see
The
Mama.
black one.
Yep, go see Mama.
Look, Emma. Come on. Hey. Okay. He carried those all over the house one night. Minnie Mouse. Another one.
What you got? What you got? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh boy! Yay!
Look, Grandma. What's this one? Okay.
Jason, we'd get him clothes and he'd do this. She carries them around. That's the difference between a girl and a boy.
Took them
What
out
you
of the
got?
plastic bag one night
Oh,
and carried them all over.
nice. Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
Dad.
Look at
Ooh.
Emma. You got more.
Ooh.
Hey. Look at. You got more.
Do nothing with this.
Huh?
Need a screwdriver.
Do you have screwdrivers in the house?
Sorry, don't worry about it.
Right there.
Okay. Thank you, honey.
Here's the instruction booklet for it right there. Nothing in there.
Yay!
Whose house?
I can't. She's